4 egg combinations every person over 50 should try. Boost energy, brain, and healthy aging naturally. Have you ever felt like the foods that once fueled you now leave you feeling tired, foggy, or just off? After 50, the rules change. Your body speaks more quietly, but with more urgency. And the choices you make at the table, they matter more than ever. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements, trendy diets, or complicated routines. Sometimes, the simplest combinations, foods you already know and love, can quietly heal, restore, and energize your body in powerful ways. In today's video, we're exploring 4 surprising egg combinations that go far beyond breakfast. Each pairing is backed by science, easy to prepare, and designed to help you age with strength, clarity, and vitality. These aren't just recipes, they're tools for living well, starting now. So if you're ready to feel more energized in the morning, sharper throughout the day, and more in control of your health after 50, stay with me, because what we're about to share could transform the way you think about food and about aging itself. This is WiseElders, and together we're choosing wisdom, wellness, and a better future, one smart meal at a time. Combination number 1, eggs plus pumpkin, a powerful partnership for vision, vitality, and aging gracefully. Let's move from the meals that quietly harm to a combination that can gently heal. This next pairing may not be one you've tried before, but once you do, it just might become a regular on your plate. Eggs and pumpkin. It might sound unusual at first, but together, these 2 foods create a powerhouse of nutrients that specifically support some of the most important aspects of health as we age: vision, immunity, metabolism, and even cognitive clarity. Now picture this. Margaret, a 70-year-old retired librarian from Vermont, had never cooked with pumpkin unless it was in a pie. But when her eye doctor told her she was showing early signs of macular degeneration, she became more curious about what food could do to help. At a local wellness class, she learned about lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants found in egg yolks that are known to support and protect eye health, especially from age-related damage caused by blue light. But there was more. Pumpkin, she discovered, is incredibly rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining sharp vision and supporting the immune system. In fact, just 1 cup of cooked pumpkin delivers over 200% of your daily vitamin A needs. And here's the exciting part. When you eat pumpkin and eggs together, the healthy fats in the eggs actually help your body absorb more of the beta-carotene from the pumpkin. This is the kind of synergy nutritionists love, where the whole becomes greater than the sum of its parts, but the benefits don't stop at eyesight. Pumpkin is a low-glycemic, slow-digesting carbohydrate, meaning it helps regulate blood sugar, keeps your energy steady, and supports a healthier metabolism. That's a big deal for anyone trying to manage insulin sensitivity or keep afternoon crashes at bay. Meanwhile, the protein in eggs supports muscle maintenance, cognitive performance, and cell repair, especially critical as we move through our 60s and 70s. So what does this look like on your plate? You could try a warm, comforting bowl of pumpkin and egg soup. Blend cooked pumpkin with a touch of garlic and vegetable broth, then stir in soft poached eggs just before serving. It's creamy, soothing, and full of nourishment. Or keep things simple. Roast cubed pumpkin in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil, then serve it alongside scrambled or sunny-side-up eggs. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a sprinkle of black pepper to elevate the flavor and bring a little joy to your morning. Margaret made this switch just twice a week, and within a month, she reported better focus, more consistent energy, and a surprising bonus. Her dry eyes felt better. Of course, food alone isn't a cure-all, but when chosen wisely, meals can become a kind of quiet medicine, a daily act of self-care. Have you ever tried eggs with pumpkin before? If not, what recipe are you most curious to try? Let us know in the comments. You never know who you might inspire with your ideas. And if this video is helping you reimagine your meals in a healthier way, give it a like. It truly makes a difference. For more simple, science-backed tips to support your health after 50, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful update. Up next, we'll explore one more nourishing combo that strengthens not just your body, but also your bones and your brain. Let's talk about eggs and cheese, and why this delicious duo could be a smart staple for aging well. Combination 2, eggs and cheese, a delicious duo that strengthens bones, muscles, and mental clarity. Now let's talk about a pairing that's as classic as it is comforting. Eggs and cheese. Whether it's a fluffy omelet filled with gooey cheddar, a slice of quiche at brunch, or just a sprinkle of Parmesan over scrambled eggs, this combination has become a breakfast, and sometimes dinner, favorite for millions of Americans. But here's something many people don't realize. When used wisely, eggs and cheese together can offer powerful support for aging bones, muscles, and even memory. Let's break it down. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that's absolutely essential for calcium absorption and bone strength. But vitamin D doesn't work alone. It needs calcium to do its job effectively. And that's where cheese comes in. Just 1 ounce of aged cheese, like cheddar, Gouda, or Parmesan, can provide up to 200 milligrams of calcium, helping your body build and maintain strong bones. For adults over 50, this is especially important. According to the National Osteoporosis Foundation, nearly 1 in 2 women and 1 in 4 men over age 50 in the U.S. will break a bone due to osteoporosis. Most don't even know they're at risk, but the benefits of eggs and cheese go beyond your bones. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in brain health, memory, and mood regulation. Studies have shown that higher choline intake is linked to better cognitive performance in older adults. Cheese, especially aged varieties, contains small amounts of natural probiotics that support gut health, which in turn benefits the brain through what scientists now call the gut-brain axis. Let's not forget the protein. Both eggs and cheese are high-quality, complete protein sources, providing the amino acids your body needs to repair muscle tissue, support your immune system, and maintain energy throughout the day. And for those who are trying to stay active after retirement, preserve independence, or simply feel stronger during daily routines, protein makes all the difference. So how do you bring this combo to life in your kitchen? Start simple. Make a cheesy egg scramble using 2 eggs and a small handful of shredded cheese. Cook it gently over low heat for a soft, creamy texture that doesn't dry out. You can even add some chopped spinach or tomatoes for extra fiber and antioxidants. Or try baking mini frittatas with eggs, cheese, and your favorite vegetables. They store well, are easy to reheat, and make for a quick grab-and-go breakfast that keeps you satisfied for hours. Even a hard-boiled egg served with a slice of aged cheese and a few whole grain crackers can be a perfectly balanced snack that nourishes both brain and bones. Of course, portion matters. Too much cheese can increase saturated fat intake, so a thumb-sized serving is usually enough to get the benefits without overdoing it. This combination, when balanced, delivers far more than just flavor. It offers nutritional synergy. Eggs providing the vitamin D and choline. Cheese delivering calcium and protein, both working together to support your strength, clarity, and longevity. So tell me, have you ever combined eggs and cheese with intention? What's your favorite way to prepare them? Drop your ideas in the comments. You might just inspire someone to bring a little more nourishment into their day. And hey, if this kind of content helps you rethink your meals and your health, do me a favor and tap that like button. It helps our videos reach more people who truly need it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. We're building a growing community of people over 50 who are committed to living well, one smart meal at a time. Now, if you're enjoying these pairings, get ready, because our next combo is as unexpected as it is refreshing. Let's explore how eggs and apples can work together to support digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and give you a gentle lift that lasts all morning. Stay with me. Combination 3. Eggs and apples. A fresh start for your digestion, energy, and nutrient absorption. Now let's move into a food pairing that may surprise you. It's not traditional, it's not flashy, but it's one of the most gentle, effective, and surprisingly powerful combinations you can make in the morning, especially if you're over 50 and trying to support your digestion, your energy, and your overall well-being. I'm talking about eggs and apples. You might not think to put them together. Eggs are warm, savory, rich. Apples are cool, crisp, slightly sweet. But in the right context, they balance each other beautifully. And more importantly, they work together inside your body in ways that many people never realize. Here's how. Eggs, as we've explored, are rich in protein, healthy fats, iron, and B vitamins. But for some people, especially as we age, eating eggs alone, particularly boiled or fried, can sometimes feel heavy or sluggish on the stomach. That's because protein and fat take longer to digest, and without supportive fiber or hydration, it can slow everything down. That's where apples come in. Apples are rich in a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which has a soothing effect on the digestive system. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, pectin not only improves gut motility, it also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria that aid in breaking down protein and fat from foods like eggs. And there's more. Apples are also a natural source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in enhancing iron absorption. Since eggs contain iron, especially heme iron from the yolk, pairing them with a food rich in vitamin C can help your body absorb significantly more of that iron, which is essential for energy, oxygen transport, and cognitive performance. In fact, a study from the National Institutes of Health showed that when vitamin C-rich foods are consumed alongside iron-rich meals, iron absorption can double or even triple, depending on the individual's needs and baseline levels. For older adults who often struggle with low iron or mild anemia, this can be a game changer. Symptoms like fatigue, lightheadedness, pale skin, or even brittle nails may improve with something as simple as changing the way you combine your foods. So how can you bring eggs and apples together in a way that makes sense on your plate? Here are a few simple ideas. Start your morning with a hard-boiled egg and fresh apple slices. A quick, no-fuss option that travels well and feels light but satisfying. Or try a mixed green salad with chopped egg, diced apple, a sprinkle of walnuts, and a light vinaigrette. The crunch of the apple balances the richness of the egg beautifully, and the added fiber helps everything move smoothly through your digestive system. You could even slice a soft-boiled egg over a bed of arugula, then add thin slices of crisp green apple and drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. It's refreshing, elegant, and incredibly nourishing. If you've ever felt like eggs alone leave you heavy, or like fruit alone isn't quite enough, this combination might be exactly what you need. Together, they help your body digest better, absorb more, and stay energized longer. And for those managing blood sugar, this pairing also works well. Apples have a low glycemic load, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar when eaten in moderation. Combined with protein and fat from eggs, you get a slow, steady release of energy, no crash, no cravings. Have you ever tried eggs and apples together? It might sound strange at first, but once you experience how light and energized you feel afterward, you may wonder why you didn't start sooner. If you've got a favorite way of combining sweet and savory foods, or if you try this combo and love it, share your ideas in the comments below. Someone else might be looking for just the inspiration you've got. And if this series is helping you build smarter, more supportive meals, go ahead and tap the like button. It tells the algorithm and us that this content matters. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world tips backed by science and tailored for life after 50. Now that we've explored these energizing and supportive combinations, let's go even further. What happens when you combine eggs with foods that support bone strength, brain clarity, and long-term independence? Stick around, because the next pairing is not only satisfying, it might just help protect you from some of the most common age-related concerns. We're talking eggs and cheese, done the right way. Combination 4, eggs and mushrooms. A brain-boosting, immune-lifting combination you'll actually enjoy. Let's move into a pairing that's both humble and incredibly healing. Eggs and mushrooms. They're not flashy. They're not trendy, but when you bring these two together, especially as part of a thoughtful breakfast or lunch, you're giving your body and brain a powerful dose of nourishment, right where it matters most. And here's why. Mushrooms are one of nature's quiet protectors. They're rich in a trace mineral called selenium, which plays a vital role in regulating immune response and reducing inflammation. In fact, studies from the National Institutes of Health have shown that selenium supports the body's antioxidant defense system, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that speed up aging and weaken the immune system over time. But that's not all. Certain types of mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and cremini contain a special kind of fiber called beta-glucan, known to enhance the activity of immune cells like macrophages and natural killer cells. These are the frontline defenders that help your body fight infections and chronic inflammation, especially as you get older. And when you pair mushrooms with eggs, something even more valuable happens. Eggs bring in vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve protection and cognitive function, as well as choline, a nutrient that supports memory, mental clarity, and mood regulation. Together, this combination acts almost like a gentle tune-up for your nervous system, supporting focus, energy, and immune resilience all in one. Let me share a quick story. Carolyn, 72, from Colorado, used to skip breakfast. She thought it helped with weight control. But after struggling with brain fog, constant fatigue, and a few colds each winter, her doctor recommended she try adding more B vitamins and immune-boosting foods. She started making a simple breakfast. 2 eggs scrambled with mushrooms and onions, a pinch of black pepper, and a small side of greens. Within weeks, she noticed something different. Her energy held steady through the morning. She was thinking more clearly. And for the first time in years, she made it through winter without a single cold. Food doesn't have to be complicated to be powerful. It just needs to be intentional, So how can you make this combo work in your own kitchen? Try a mushroom and onion omelet, cooked slowly over medium heat in a teaspoon of olive oil. Add a touch of sea salt and cracked pepper. If you want to boost flavor and nutrients even further, toss in some chopped spinach or cherry tomatoes. Or for a heartier meal, make a breakfast skillet. Saute mushrooms with garlic and red bell peppers, then crack 2 eggs on top and bake for a few minutes. It's cozy, satisfying, and packed with nutrients that support your brain and immune system in ways your body will truly feel. And if you're someone who prefers light meals, keep it simple. A soft-boiled egg with a side of grilled mushrooms and arugula salad can do wonders without weighing you down. This combination is especially helpful for those over 50 who want to stay sharp, resilient, and energized throughout the day. You don't need caffeine. You don't need a supplement drawer full of pills. Sometimes you just need 2 ingredients that work better together than they ever could alone. Have you ever tried eggs and mushrooms as part of your routine? If not, is there a version of this meal that you're excited to try? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear how you make this duo your own. And if this inspired you, give the video a thumbs up. It's a small click that makes a big difference in helping more people discover practical, feel-good nutrition for life after 50. Coming up next, we'll explore a pairing that might sound sweet and simple, but delivers big support for your bones and brain. Let's talk about eggs and cheese, and why this comforting combo is more than just a guilty pleasure. You see, something as simple as an egg, when paired wisely, can become a quiet force for good in your life. Whether it's eggs with pumpkin to nourish your vision and support your immune system, eggs with cheese to strengthen your bones and sharpen your memory, eggs with apples to boost digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, or eggs with mushrooms, which give your brain a natural lift and strengthen your immune defenses as you age. Each of these small, thoughtful food choices is like a sentence in the story of your health, a story that you get to write one meal at a time. You don't need to overhaul your whole lifestyle overnight. Sometimes, all it takes is a smarter breakfast, a nourishing lunch, or a gentle shift in your daily habits to build a healthier, more energized future. So tell me, which egg combination are you most curious to try first? Is it the brain-boosting eggs and mushrooms, the comforting blend of eggs and cheese, or maybe the light, refreshing power of eggs and apples? Share your ideas in the comments below. Because when you speak up, you're not just inspiring yourself, you're inspiring someone else who might be one smart meal away from a better day. And if this video gave you a new perspective, if it made you feel more confident about your health choices, tap that like button. It's a small act that helps Golden Wise Elders reach more people who need guidance, encouragement, and hope. And don't forget, subscribe and turn on notifications. Here at Golden Wise Elders, we're building a growing community of people over 50 who are choosing to live not just longer, but better. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more powerful food pairings that support your heart, your mind, and your independence.